Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to hide followers on LinkedIn. So, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to your LinkedIn and make sure you are signed in into your account. And now from here, in order for you to do that, just simply click on your profile icon at the top right over here, the me icon over here, and a drop down will show up, and go for settings and privacy. So just simply go ahead and click on over here, settings and privacy. And after that, just simply go ahead and go to the left side over here and go for a visibility with the eye icon. So click on here, and now just simply go ahead and go over who can see members you follow. So click on over here. And now just simply go ahead and toggle on the only visible to me. And from there, you should be able to hide the followers that you have. And just simply go to the homepage, and there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.